I told you that if you read my note online, one of the cheapest parts on this car are the plastic sun visors. And then to make matters worse, when you put them down, if you actually use them, you have that really horrible looking, I think it's an airbag sticker, that's white and yellow, and it's really hard to get off and not ruin the visors. I guess it's possible if you work at it hard enough. I tried 3 or 4 times with several different supposed home remedies that work to help ease it off there, and it just doesn't want to come. So figured out how to get rid of the plastic sun visors and the stickers all in one fell swoop. It is a little pricey, but let me show you what I found. If you look at our sun visors, you will see they are leather, hand stitched leather. This stitching is black. However, if you desire, you can get it in red. If you have an A-Bart especially, or those of you who like the red trim, you can get this stitching in red. Put it down. It still works on your mirror. It just has a little snap right here. This is Velcro right here. You can see how it's cut precisely for this sun visor. It's from a company called REV9 Autosport. REV9 space Autosport. Like I said, they are a little pricey, and they're handmade in Japan. Right now they're got a high volume of sales. I ordered mine back in late April, early May, and I just got them. They're quite upfront with that. They tell you it's going to take at least 3 or 4 months before you get them. Okay, they tell you that up front. But they look so much better than that cheap ass plastic. So I thought I would pass that on to you guys real quick. REV9 Motorsports. And then you have to look for the MX-5 ND 2016 plus, and just look for the leather sun visors. And like I said, they're kind of pricey. To combine, to get the set of them, it's like $205. So, and you have a 4-month wait. But they make the interior of your car look a lot nicer, at least in my opinion. And again, if you have red trim, you can get them with red leather stitching. Not the leather, the red, the stitching is red. So you have black leather plus red stitching. It's genuine leather, it's not fake leather, it's real leather. And they go on really easy. You have to pull at them a little bit to get them to slide over, but it's not really that difficult. You just start on this side, work your way across. I found out that it's easier to, once you get this corner on, before you put this side on, like you start over in this corner, slide it this way, work it on. Before you have to stretch a little bit to pull this corner on, go ahead and put your mirror on. If you put your mirror on first, it helps. Once you put them on the whole way, then you try to put the mirror on, it's hard. So just inside, mirror, outside, and then you slide the Velcro slip through the hole. It's easier when you do the Velcro. You have to start it like you put the visor down, start it from the back, and just work it like this a couple times, and then you'll be able to grab and pull it through. It took me all of 5 minutes to do both of them. It's really easy. So there you go. Now I am going to go wash my van, get an oil change on my van, and pack it, so when my wife gets off work and picks up my daughter from school and comes home, we will be ready to head out. And that will be our next video, showing you all the cars that were at the Italian Motor Gathering. Have a good day.